Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries back in the garage, and beside me I have the all-new 2024 Yamaha MT-09, and in this video I'll be guiding you through the installation process of the Womet-Tech Bar Ends. Now they are designed to fit with the OEM handlebars. I should mention that right off the bat. They are a direct bolt-on kit with no modifications needed. Included in the packaging are two bar ends with the appropriate hardware. It is made of a delrin end cap with an aluminum base, and this ring right in the center is replaceable, and you can actually swap it out for different colors. We do have various color options available on our website, so be sure to check that out if you are interested. Now, this is a pretty straightforward installation process, so let's go ahead and jump right in. To begin, we will need to remove the OEM bar ends. We will do that by grabbing a size 6 hex key, Allen key, hex bit, whichever tool you have handy. I do believe that on this model, Yamaha does not apply thread locking agent, but that may differ on various models, so be sure to note that. Now with the OEM bar end removed, we'll toss it to the side, and now we will grab the Womet-Tech bar end and go ahead and install it. And this procedure is mirrored on the opposite side. These are designed in a fashion that they have a small standoff of about 2 millimeters that will prevent binding on the throttle side, so you do not have to worry about having unintentional cruise control moments. Let's go ahead and repeat those steps on the opposite side and call it a day. And just like that, this installation is now complete. As you can see, in this case, we did not add any color. However, we did add a consumable product that is designed to take the brunt of impact if you are in a situation where you drop your bike or find yourself sliding across the pavement. Being that the delrin end cap is replaceable, you can also find replacement parts. If you do go down, we will not force you to buy a whole new bar end set. We may have spare parts readily available. And if you are one of those riders that did select the color option, you have now introduced a little bit of flair onto an otherwise bland portion of your motorcycle. If you're interested in this product, you want to check it out or see what else we have available for the 4th generation 2024 and up Yamaha MT-09, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these bar ends can be found in the description below. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage, and we'll catch you next time.